Hi, this is a tutorial for upcoming events, and here you can see the details of an event, and you just click the pencil icon in order to edit, and you can see the title, the main details here. You can add a description if you would like, if it helps you remember, take notes and things like that. You can also choose a category and a lot of other details here. If necessary, the options are here for you. And then you would click Save. It takes you back to the home screen. You can click the trash can if you want to throw it away. And then to add it, you hit the plus sign, and then it takes you to the blank area where all that same information that you saw before. It's a company meeting, it's in the boardroom perhaps, and then you can choose the date here. And one would assume your meeting lasts only a day, not too long, maybe an hour. It might be helpful to add descriptions here, like maybe what to bring to a meeting or who's going to be there, what have you, and then hit Save. After that, it takes you back to the main home page of the portal, and you'll see the other meeting pop up there. So that's really a convenient way to keep track of the important meetings that you have, and then you can see other, company-wide tasks and events. And then here you can see when you go back to the home screen and you scroll down to the events and you click the upcoming events here, that it takes you to the calendar. And that way you can see the whole month, and then switch to which month you're trying to look at. And you can also click on the event here, and then you can see all the details. So if you might have an upcoming conference, and it's just great to have a nice calendar like that within your portal. And you can add the alert. So you might want to get an alert, and you can go into that section and even more details, like send alerts for a specific type of thing, the time of the location, set a daily summary. It just really depends on exactly what your needs are. You click OK. Takes you back to the calendar. And I just went ahead and clicked home so I could get back to the home screen.